What's good, y'all? It's your boy Sham, also known as the BJJ Lender, and let me warn you right now, this is the episode that might get me canceled. YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, I don't care. I'm bringing all the smoke, all the energy, and going full tilt today. Every few words might be an F-bomb, so if you're sensitive, go watch a budgeting tutorial. Tonight, we're talking about them fake-ass firms out here calling themselves fractional CFOs when all they do is bookkeeping and payroll. Canva logos, $1,500 retainers, pretending they can hang with Fortitude Strategic Wealth. That's a damn lie. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to make statements. Buckle up, pour your cafecito, and get ready, because after this one, ain't no going back. Hit my damn intro. Everybody wants to call themselves a CFO until it's time to actually strategize. Like Tyson said, everybody got a plan until they get punched in the face. They can't understand cash flow, build a capital plan, or save you a dime in taxes. That's like a white belt showing up to an open mat with black belt around his waist. We all know how that roll ends. So if you've seen a $1,500 proposal and a $6,000 proposal and wondered why, stay tuned. You're about to see the difference between counting receipts and designing empires. Bookkeepers record the past. CFOs build the future. Bookkeeping is transactions. CFO work is transformation. A bookkeeper says, you spent 18 grand on marketing. A CFO says, you wasted 6 grand with zero ROI. Here's where we redeploy and scale. Bookkeepers file payroll. CFOs design comp plans that motivate, retain, and save taxes. Bookkeepers report what happened. CFOs engineer what happens next. Feel the difference? Good. Keep that energy. Alright, let's get fucking doctrinal. Does your bookkeeper set up executive bonus plans? Know what a key person policy is? Can they structure a cash balance or defined benefit plan that saves y'all 6 figures? Handle deferred comp, employee benefits, or even spell actuarial right? Do they fucking help you secure funding? Can they walk into a fucking bank, negotiate a fucking term sheet, align your financials for real business credit, or just log the deposit after you sign the loan? Do they build 12-month cash flow forecast, stress test margins, and tell you what happens when revenue doubles but profit collapses? Nope. When was the last time they reviewed your company 401k or group benefits? Is the plan optimized for tax savings and retention? Probably the fuck not. Because they're not looking forward, they're just tallying the past. Rewind 5 years, the pandemic exposed everyone. Most businesses had barely 2 weeks of cash reserves. 41% closed temporarily. Credit tightened. Only 15% applied for lines, and fewer than 2/3 were approved. That's not bad luck. That's lack of strategy. A real CFO would have said, get a line of credit, build business credit, keep one in the chamber. When the world tilts, you don't panic. You draw, aim, and execute. You use debt strategically. Liquidity, leverage, survival. If your advisor never mentioned business credit, liquidity, or a LOC, you're not being advised. You're being babysat. They'll pull a P&L, hand you a balance sheet, and say, looks good. Pulling reports ain't strategy, y'all. Reconciling ain't optimization. Filing ain't capital design. They're great at compliance, but compliance will make you dominant. Fortitude will. At Fortitude Strategic Wealth, we don't sell spreadsheets. We build structure. We're not just a team. We're a bloodline forged in experience, discipline, and grit. Starting with me, Shamier, the founder and president, 20 years on Wall Street. From Deloitte's tax corridors to Merrill Lynch's private wealth desk. I was one of those advisors in the suit and tie life before I traded it for fucking purpose. I saw how wealth is built and protected when strategy meets discipline. My brother, Mustak. My brother, my mentor, my partner, 25 years as a tax strategist, former Fortune 100 senior partner who led over 200 plus advisors and managed over $1.5 billion. Wall Street polish meets IRS warfare. The strategist behind the strategy. Now, you got Vish, our legal counsel. He does corporate, estate, and transactions, who's negotiated everything from startup buyouts to 9-figure mergers. He doesn't read fine print. He authors it. My boy Dev, third generation real estate and business professional. His family owns and operates a massive portfolio. Construction, hotels, restaurants. And Dev bridges that entrepreneurial grind with fucking capital strategy. He literally lives, breathes, bleeds this industry. My girl Rose. What the fuck you want me to say about her? The heartbeat of Fortitude. She's worked inside global luxury brands, refined marketing, HR, and brand systems at the highest level. Rose is our clarity, our culture, our pulse. The reason this bloodline beats with purpose. This is Fortitude Strategic Wealth, where Wall Street discipline meets BJJ mentality. We don't count money. We design movement. We don't chase trends. We build dynasties. Yeah, our retainers are higher because you're comparing a Honda fucking Civic to a Rolls fucking Royce and wondering why the leather smells fucking different. You're not paying for data entry. You're paying for direction, not for hours, for outcomes. A discount CFO balances books. A real one balances strategy. Cheap advice is the most expensive mistake you'll ever make. If you're running a 7-figure company and letting a bookkeeper call shots, that's like letting a white belt teach a black belt class. Respectfully, we ain't in the same division. Here's the real play, y'all. Our CFO services start where strategy actually matters. $500K and up. Foundation tier, $500K to $2 million. Systems, entities, cash flow, discipline. Growth, $2 to $10 million. Forecasting, capital strategy, employee benefits, risk management. Enterprise, $10 million plus. Legacy, trust, succession, family, office integration. I don't care if you're a startup med spa or private practice getting your systems tight, or a TRT clinic doing $2 million a year and ready to scale. Bookkeeping ain't gonna get you there. Direction and strategy will. If you go cheap, expect cheap results. If you go top dollar, expect strategy, accountability, and tough conversations. We're not yes men, we're truth tellers. We don't do data entry, we build dominance. If you're ready to build with intent, schedule your consult with me and the Fortitude Strategic Wealth team today. Follow, like, share, comment, and subscribe on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram at the BJJ Lender. Tag your partner, UCPA, your gym owner, whoever needs to smoke. I'm the BJJ Lender, your favorite financial black belt, and this season, we're submitting bad money advice and protecting legacies. From the mats to the mic, we don't just roll, guys. We strategize. Oh yeah, acknowledge me. You know what, man? I've had enough of this shit.